All right, if the slope of a line is k, and the line passes through the points 2 comma k plus 3 and negative 5, 0, what is k? Well, what is slope is the first question. Slope is rise over run, and on a graph, the way we would get rise over run would be to subtract the y values, so we would say y2 minus y1, so that's how much it goes up, over how much it goes across or it runs, and that would be subtracting the x values. So the second x value minus the first x value. And look at my ordered pairs. I know that's an x and that's a y, because that's how you graph ordered pairs, and I can just call one of them my first one of them my second one. So if I called this 1 and 2 here, whoops, that should be 1 and 1. This is my first ordered pair. This one I'm going to call my second ordered pair. I could have done it the other way, but I was thinking ahead, and actually this looks a little easier. So now I'm just going to do y2 minus y1, so it's k plus 3, and it's the whole thing, k plus 3, minus my y1, which is 0, over my second x, which is 2, minus my first x, which is negative 5. Now I know a minus and negative is the same thing as a plus. So k plus 3 minus 0 is just k plus 3. 2 plus 5 is 7. And then look here, it says the slope is k. So k is my slope. So I can set this thing equal to k, and I just have an equation. So now to solve that equation for k, I want to get rid of the denominator of 7, so I'm dividing, so I need to multiply by 7 to both sides. 7's cancel, and now I have k plus 3 equals 7k. I want to get k on the same side, so I'm going to subtract this k and subtract that k. Okay? Just kidding. All right, we have 3 equals 7k minus 1k is 6k. And then to solve for k, I just divide by 6. And we get 3/6, which is 1/2. So k is 1/2. All right, so we just use our slope formula and then set it equal to k and solve it like an equation. All right, you try one on your own. All right, go ahead and pause the video and try this question. Very similar. Just find k as a common fraction. All right, and now for the solution. Okay, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's, we can call this x2, y2, x1, y1. And again, that just means my first ordered pair and second ordered pair. And it would be k plus 6, the whole thing, minus a negative 2, which is really plus 2. And then x2 is negative 3, so negative 3 minus x1 of 5. And I'm getting k plus 6 minus 2. Well 6 and I'm sorry, k plus 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, so it's k plus 8 over negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8. And now I need to set that k plus 8 over negative 8 equal to k, because it says the slope is k. So I can set it equal to k, and now I just want to solve the equation for k. So I need to multiply by negative 8, multiply by negative 8, because I was dividing by it. Now that'll get rid of my negative 8. And now I just have k plus 8 equals negative 8k. And then I want to get k on the same side of the equation. I can't have a variable on both sides. So I'm going to do minus k, because I have a positive k, and minus k. And then we would have negative 9k, divide by negative 9, and my final answer is negative 8/9. Whee!